Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's solve today's POTD. So today's POTD is a simpler problem. So we are given an array of positive integer and one value k. For each element in the array, we have to divide it into minimum number of small integer such that each divided integer is less than or equal to k. And after that, we have to compute the total number of these integer across all elements of the array. Okay. So what it is saying is, suppose C, here k is 3. So each elements of array should be less than or equal to k. If it is more than k, divide it. Okay, break it. Okay. So what we will do, this is 5, so we will divide it into 3 plus 2. Now both elements are less than 3. Okay. Now this 8, what we will do, we will divide it into 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. This. Now this 10 we will divide 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is for 10. For 13 what we will do, 4 times 3, 12 and plus 1. So what are total number of elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total number of elements now is 14. Okay. So this is ultimately what we want to do. Okay. So what we will do, just what we are doing is, if a number is, there are two conditions to make it more easy, like we can write two conditions. If it is divisible by k, then if it is divisible by k, suppose it is divisible by k means like it will be 2k, 3k, and you can say xk. It will look like this: 1k, 2k, 3k, xk. If it is divisible by k, element is divisible by k, it will something look like this: 1k, 2k, xk. So what we will do, each element should be less than or equal to k, and we want to minimize the number of elements. So what we will do, we will simply divide it by like this, like k x times. So this is the minimum possible, because we cannot, an element cannot be more than k. Okay. So we just divide it into x k. Okay. So for, if a element is 2k, so we will divide it like k plus k, and if it is 3k, then we will divide it k plus k plus k 3 times. If it is xk, we will divide it x times. Okay. So this is the condition, case 1, if it is divisible by k. So what is the case? If element more, remainder k is 0, you can say divisible. Okay, divisible. Other cases, if it is not divisible, like suppose what is this is like, suppose this is like 2k plus anything, and you know this remainder will be less than k. Okay, this will be less than k. Otherwise, if it is greater than k, it will come to this side, like it will become 3k plus 1. So it will be something like np, or say nq, nk plus m, this type. Then this is the remainder and this is the proper part. Okay, we can say if it is not divisible, exactly divisible, then its element will look like this or not. Okay, so what we will do, we will make the n elements with k, and this one extra element with value m. Okay, the sum is n, this is n times, so nk plus m, and this is also nk plus m. So there are two conditions: if it divisible by k or not divisible by k. Okay, so this is in C the code. If it is divisible by k, so what we will do, if it, okay, this is not divisible by k, and this is for divisible by k. If it divisible by k, so what we will do, we just simply find that, like, how many times it divides the k, and we will add this to the answer. Like suppose if it is something like 5k, then we will divide it by k, so we want to add the answer 5. Suppose number is 20 and k is over 4, so we will divide it by 4, so it will become 5. So we will write 5, 5, 4, we will write the k 5 4 5 times, so k k, so this will become 20. Okay, so we will check if it is exactly divisible, then we will every element will be k if it is exactly divisible. Okay, so understand this part also. If it is divisible, then every element will be k, because ultimately it will be nk type and each element can be k. Okay, and as we want to minimize the elements, we will give the maximum possible value, that is nothing but k. Okay, then if it is divisible, then we will add ARR of I by k into the answer. Okay, this is the condition 1. And condition 2, if it is not divisible. Okay, so this is the clear, this is the proper part. Let's suppose like 5k plus anything extra, suppose x. So these are the 5k, so you can write this k 5 times plus this extra. So we are taking one more elements. Okay, so this is that extra one that remaining, and this is the proper part, AR of k, like how many k's we can make. This is what, how many k's we can make, and this is the some extra part, because remainder is not 0. And if it, how many k's we can make, because here remainder is 0, so we don't have any extra elements left, any extra value left in for a particular element. So this is our answer. Okay, so this was a very simple problem. I don't think it we will face any difficulty. So thank you guys, please subscribe my channel. I'm making the streak of, like, this is my 33rd day, so please subscribe my channel and show me. Bye guys.